Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today and checking out this final test video of Lamech's Breckwell brand Pellet Stove Controller. This is a controller that suffered major electrical damage which limited my ability to do certain kinds of repairs on it. I managed to repair most of the electronic circuits on the circuit board and returned functionality to the controller, but there are some sections of it that are just not repairable because of severe damage. I spoke with Lamech about this and we agreed on a course of action, which was basically that we would bypass or ignore the functionality of the low BCDE max switch positions with respect to the room fan. Those will still control the auger speed and the duty cycle, but they will no longer control the intensity of the convection or room fan. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see where we go from there. I have the controller connected to my tester, and my tester is made up of a few items. Firstly, it's made up of my display section, which has light bulbs that simulate the different functions on your stove. For example, the combustion fan, the auger motor, and the convection or room fan, the one marked in red. I also have my meter connected in amp mode, AC amps, which will monitor the current that runs through the auger motor that I have on loan for a short period of time. So with the controller on, we can see that we're not calling for pellets, and the combustion fan is on, and so is the convection or room fan. So with that, we can check a number of items in manual mode. The first being, of course, the high fan. Well, I spoke already that the fan control had been bypassed, so high fan will stay high. We have it on, but we will not see a change in its speed there or with the low BCDE max. So you see the intensity of the light bulb does not change, so we have the fan on at max all the time. The next thing we can do is check out the manual feed portion of the controller. So if I press that, the momentary switch, we'll see the auger light come on, the auger indicator, and in this case, because we have an auger motor on loan, we'll see the motor itself spin. So let's go ahead and do that. So if I press the manual feed, notice how the motor is spinning, we have the auger light on, and if you look at the meter, it's telling us we're drawing 0.58, 0.59 amps AC, which is correct for this motor. I've tested this motor on a few other controllers and that's the same response that we get. So I'll release the manual feed button and everything stops. The auger indicator turns off, current goes down to 0, and the motor stops spinning. So let's go ahead and go to automatic mode. To do that, we press the auger switch and we'll see the green light at the top here come on. There, we have it, the green light is on, so we're now in automatic mode. What that does is it starts a timer, and that timer will determine when the auger motor will drive next. That takes approximately 25 seconds to do, so we'll just wait for that to happen. When it does happen, we'll see the auger motor light indicator come on, we'll see the little light behind the faceplate come on, and we saw the current through the meter come on, and the auger motor actually spun for a very little bit. So let's watch that one more time. Notice that it happens really quick, so the duty cycle is very low. But it's all functioning correctly. One last time and then we'll switch it to max. So that was just a short burst of pellet drops. Let's go ahead and go to the max position. And with that being said, we should be able to see the auger stay on for a longer period of time, and it will come on again on a shorter period of time. So you notice that the motor spins longer. We can clearly see how much current is being drawn by the motor. We can see the little green LED behind the faceplate, and the auger indicator comes on. So everything there is functional. Lamech, I want to thank you very much for sending me your controller for repairs. I appreciate that very much. I'm just sorry that I wasn't able to repair every section of the controller and return it to full functionality. But based on the severe damage to the circuit board, we are limited to what we can do. For all you viewers, if you have a similar pellet stove controller, whether it's a Breckwell or a different brand, even if it's a different model of Breckwell, and you have questions about it or you need it repaired, please feel free to contact me. You'll find my contact information in the video description just below this video, or you can leave a comment in any one of my videos. I'll try to answer back as soon as possible. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, and I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. That would be very helpful. Thanks everyone. Have a good day. Bye-bye.